Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, and guys, I'm gonna give 5 stocks for tomorrow, and it is not only for intraday traders. These could be intraday and or 1 or 2 days holdings. Okay, and some of the stocks is about to give the opportunity, and some of the stocks is already had breakout. I'm gonna give some 5 stocks only, and see guys, and logic behind that. I'm gonna explain logic behind that, and also stop loss and target, the perfect trade plan as well. Okay, first we'll have a look on HCL. If this is a completely 30-minute time frame, see guys, this is 30-minute time frame, and if you see on 11th or 12th, it's already given the breakout, and it was a good trade plan, and it has reached our target as well. The ratio is 1.5 ratio, 1:1.5 ratio. Nice, perfect trade plan and nice profits as well. After that, it is somewhat downtrend. See, it is downtrend. See, if you see higher time frame, this stock HCL is in good uptrend. Okay, this is good bullish trend. Okay, we have to follow the trend. Okay, don't go opposite to trend. Okay, this is in uptrend. Okay, we have to find the opportunity on buying side itself. See here, it's creating a channel pattern, and there is a lot of rejections here. Resist at the point of resistance 2, 3, 4 rejections, and support zone 1 or 2 rejections. See guys, always expect buy signal here. Okay, wait for the breakout on upside move. When it breaks here, take the position, and stop loss will be below this trend line. Below this trend line is supporting point. See, if it had a break tomorrow, and this would be our stop loss, and target would be these levels. Okay, it will give around 1.6 1.7 ratio or a ratio. Wait for the confirmation and then took up the trade as per your risk management. The quantity is also very important, how much quantity you are taking. You always follow your risk reward management, so that you can be successful in trading. Okay, wait for the breakout this trend line. I'm expecting the bullish signal, but don't buy before the breakout. Always after the breakout of the confirmation only took up the trade. Okay, and stop loss will be these levels, below these levels, and if it is moving downside, and again wait for the break. Okay, with this support, go with stop loss or target. This is the plan of HCL, and next stock is Shriram Transport. Okay, and see guys, I had previous video I had explained this is a good time. It is in completely range. Okay, this is day time frame, and this opportunity is for short term investment. But always remember, if it is creating a pattern in completely day time frame, don't wait for until it breaks the complete day time frame. Okay, you can look the opportunities in lower time frame inside the range. Okay, let me show you some opportunities which I got. See, this is a complete breakout. Here we got a complete signal, buying signal, and we took the trade around these levels, and target is this trend line around these levels. Okay, with the help of previous resistance, and entry is here and target is here, and it had reached our target. Stop loss is this level. Okay, this is my stop loss. See, we got a good RR ratio. Always remember guys, as per your trade plan, take your quantity. Okay, and we got a good opportunity, and we got a RR ratio as well, and it's the same as like that. And there is one more breakout after this. See, this trend line, this is a trend line having the supporting points: 1 support, 2 support, 3, and 4 around these levels, and finally it had a break. And see guys, it is inside the range. It may take some time to reach these levels, and I'm expecting the bullish moves from the retracement of these levels like this. Okay, or it can go upside directly and up to these levels. This is our target. Always remember, don't put the target above this trend line. 725 is our target. Let me clear these drawings so that you can be see, this is a breakout. If anyone want to take the position, take your own risk, and I'm explaining the logic behind that. I'm not blindly saying you to buy or sell. Take your own risk on these trades. This is our stop loss. Stop loss levels are 752 and entry would be around 690 695 around, and target is 725. This is our target, and good RR ratio 1:2. This is the trade plan. It can reach tomorrow itself, or it may take 2 days. And if next stock is HDFC, you can see HDFC is a good stock to buy, and we had a break in this is 15-minute time frame, and we got a breakout and signal as well. Let me show you. This is a complete signal, buying signal, and our target is these levels. Target levels are around 1850. Okay, we can go with 1850, or we can take up week because we are looking at higher time frame. This is our target 10852. Okay, you can go with 1850 as a target, and stop loss levels will be around 1815 because at this range we have a support. See guys, here we have some signals. These stocks has reached supporting level 1 point, and after the supporting level it had a break here. That is 2-second signal, and these confirmations are very clear, and it can reach these levels. This is trade plan for HDFC. And one more stock is HDFC Life. Guys, actually HDFC Life had given the break today itself. It's not a break actually. We took a position with the help of support. Here see, this is a trend line, support area, support, and this is where we took entry. This where should be entry at these levels, and target is these levels. Okay, near to this trend line. Okay, and it is almost about to reach, but for you guys, I am giving there is one more opportunity here on buy side itself. See guys, there is a breakout at this level. It can give the breakout at this. If you go with 1 day time frame, you can see here. See, this is a completely at supporting point. This is a supporting point. Okay, once it had a break of this trend line, this is a trend line which is about to give a break. If it is break this trend line, go with buying side. Let me open 1 hour chart. You can be very clear about this. See here, if it had a break here, if it had a break at this trend line, let me clear this. If it had a break of this trend line, you can go with buying with this with the target of this level, and below this trend line as a target. Below this trend line means somewhere around this position, and target is this point. This is our target around 619, and stop loss will be below the 600 or somewhere around 600. Entry would be above this trend line. I mean, it has to break. Okay, wait for the break these levels. In HDFC Life, wait for a breakout. Okay, and the next stock is Axis Bank. You can see the bank Nifty is in bullish move, and it had a break also. in Axis Bank, there is a one signal, it had a break. There is a one point, and we have another point. This is at resistance zone. Okay, this breakout may not work, but still wait for the breakout of this trend line. Okay, if once we had a break by above these levels, and as a target as these levels around 480 is the target. Entry would be above 456, and stop loss will be below these levels, below this, like somewhere around this point 447. Okay, let me draw the RR ratio. See, and this is our stop loss. You got around more than 1:2 ratio. This is also good trade plan, and you can took up the trade as per this trade. And guys, always don't go with huge quantity. If you are a beginner, a completely beginner, go with very less quantity until you become perfect in this. Hope you guys like this video, and if you want to know about any stocks for long term or intraday or short term, just let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like. If you're new to this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.